Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to do the weekly update on Navi Planner, and if Navi Planner is installed in this on some different computer and your Ecdis is not connected with the Navi Planner, so we're going to describe how to do the weekly update. First of all, every week you will receive one message from your service provider. This type of message you will receive on the mail. You just open this mail, there is an attachment, just save that attachment. This will be a license for the weekly update, so just save this. So just select a folder and save that file. Okay, so now we have saved that file. So after you just go to the Varsila website. In the Varsila website you will see here the TADS. Go to the TADS. Here you will see this AIO, ANC, SCNC. So just go here and you will see for the every week, like this is for this week 35. So just open this and download this file. It will be used to update your Navi Planner catalog, Navi Planner AIO. So just select the weekly update in a folder, like I already made a folder for 35th week. Just save this file there and it will start download. Once it start download, it will completely download, then we will describe the next procedure. So we just wait for that. So now it has been downloaded, so just go to the folder where it has been downloaded. Now just extract this file here. Okay, same time you download just go to this ABCS ADP AMP. There you will see AIO cumulative and AIO current week. So just download as per your requirement. Okay, so I'm downloading here for current week only. So it has been downloaded. I'll just go to the same folder. It has been downloaded. Just extract this file here. Now leave it like this. Now we'll go to the Navi Planner and we'll see the next procedure. Okay, so now we are on Navi Planner. Just then go to the chart. First of all, go to the chart. Here you will see if your system is online, you will see a green bar here. If the system is not online, then you will have to save all the data. I will explain later, and that will have to send to the mail to get the update. So after this, just go to the chart catalog and here select the catalog. This like suppose 34th, this is the last week catalog, so just select this one. Okay, so these are the total installed chart on your system. Like here I have 5, 6, 8 charts. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to order the catalog for the current week, for the 35th week. So just go on the top. Here you can see the catalog. Here you will see two options, install and order. If your system is online and you have to order, just go to the order and then select catalog. Okay, now you will see this menu. So just select SCNC and send once if your system is online. If it is offline, then you will have to just save this. Since my system is online, I will just click next. Okay, now the system is online, so I can directly send the request online. If my system is not online, then you will have to select the save to disk, and you'll have to browse the folder. You can save there and just send that selected file. There will one patch will be generated there. Just send that patch to your service provider. They will send you the catalog. So since my system is online, I will just select the request and then finish. Okay, once you have select finish, you just go to the order history. If you go to the order history, directly at the bottom you will see your request has been sent here. Means one request has been created. You can see here the created status. So once it will be sent, this created will be changed as sent. So just wait for that. Yeah, now my request has been sent and I will have to wait for their reply. Now you can see it has been started downloading on the top corner. You will see here on the top corner it has just started downloading it. So once it will download, one notification will come here and then we'll proceed for the next step. So now you can see here I have received the reply on my request of catalog. So you will see here this request for catalog has been received now, as this status has been changed from sent to received. So now we have received this thing. Now we'll go back to chart catalog, and we'll select the catalog. Now we can see here the latest one, means the 35th week is available here. So just select this now. Once you select this, you will get the status. So now we have received the request, or we have received the reply on our request for the dataset. So what we have to do is we just have to install this one. So just select the same folder where you have saved other file related to this week. Okay. Okay, install selected item. Just select the same folder. This installed file will be used while you will be updating your Ecdis. Now you can see all the notification related to the various cells, like this warning. If you see here warning, if you click on this, you'll see that this means subscription service will expire in less than 30 days. So these are the things which you can read from there. And now you can see here we have received. Now just go to the catalog where we had sent our data set. Now we'll see it has been updated, but still 5 charts are here which is showing not up to date. Just select this all 5. You will see this chart has already been expired, so no need to send the data set again. Just go to your ENC log and delete this chart if not required. And if you still require this chart, then you'll have to send the license request for these charts also. So if not required, then just go and delete all these charts from your Navi Planner and Ecdis as well. Just take the name of all the charts and you can delete from your Navi Planner and Ecdis, so that the number of charts in Ecdis and in Navi Planner should remain same. So now if you remember, I have already saved the TADA data set. Means now my Ecdis, this Navi Planner is updated till this week, and now we have to update our Navi Planner. Means AIO has to be updated, has to install. So since we have downloaded that file from the Varsila, so anything we have downloaded, like you have received anything, means if you have ordered this update through the mail or some mail or any other file which you have to install offline, for that you'll have to go to install, and there you'll have to browse that folder where you have saved that file. And like I have saved in the week 35. So you remember this 35 week, this one we have downloaded from the Varsila website, and then we have extracted there. Just select this folder to update the AIO on your Navi Planner. Yeah, we'll select this. Select yes to all. Means AIO, means your Navi Planner is updating for AIO for this week. Yeah, so the detail you'll see here the result of all the requested AIO data. So it is all okay. So you can see here, so no problem. Just close this window. And now your Ecdis is updated till the latest week. This is 35th week here, and just deselect this, and later you can delete all these charts, and now your Navi Planner is updated for AIO and ENC for this week. Now what we need to do is we need to update our Ecdis. So now we can exit from this Navi Planner, and to export this file, we'll have to just insert one pen drive in our CPU. We'll go to the folder where we have saved this. So you'll see this AIO current week. So this will be required for your Ecdis update, means AIO, your Ecdis if you have to update for AIO. And this is the ENC. Here we have two file has been sent. So anyone you can select from here, this one will require to update for your Ecdis, and this is the weekly update for this week, and this is the one which you have received through the mail on every week from your service provider. Just extract this file also. Now you copy these files from here. These all select all these files, just copy and save this one in Ecdis somewhere in your pen drive somewhere, like I have made one folder here. Now copy all the selected folder, selected file. Okay, so now it has been copied to your pen drive, so just eject your pen drive, and now we'll go to the Ecdis. So now we are on Ecdis, and as per your type specific Ecdis, you'll just have to go to the update part, update section. Like for my Ecdis, I'll have to exit from here and then go to whatever your updating procedure. Now select here S57 and then select S63 export. Here you'll have this data, so go to update CRT and then select the file which you have saved from the Navi Planner. Just select your pen drive and then select ENC AIO. Then the next one is serial ENC. Select the same folder, same file. Here you will find serial.enc. just select this file. Then you will have a permit. So this is the permit which you have received from your by mail on every week. So just select that permit. Yes, and then convert update by catalog. Select this one. So you will go to the same folder. Here you will find the catalog.031. Just select this one. So now your catalog has been updated. So you can see here 43 charts. I mean 43 affected charts are there, which has been already seen. So just add all and then start at the bottom. So we'll have to check here the right corner for the error, if there is any error or not. At the end there will be all success and there should be no error. This error should be 0. So we'll have to notice this one. So means okay, all charts are okay. So this is for the ENC update. Now we'll update for AIO. Just go to this S57 bar. Here you'll find a drop down menu and select the AIO, and then again the same procedure, select S63 export. Now we'll have to select the update CRT. Now the one which you have downloaded from the Varsila website, this catalog, current catalog, AIO current week. Here select the same AIO. Again for serial ENCs, select the same folder and then select serial AIO and then permit, and the same permit which you have received from the mail, and then catalog, then this catalog, again add new and then start. So now AIO has been updating. So now AIO has been added. So this is how we add ENC update and AIO update. So now your Ecdis is updated with the latest week 35th, which you can see from your ENC report. Like I'll show you. Just select accept all and then go to your Ecdis update, ENC report. We'll go here at the bottom, ENC report is there. So you'll see here I have total 582 charts, including this 14 chart 1, and these all are updated till you can see here week 35. So means your Ecdis has been updated till latest week. Now you will have to check for the AIO, if any AIO means any TNP correction is there for your route. Just go through the channel and you know the procedure how to check the AIO TNP correction. If there is any TNP correction, you just do the manual update for that. Thank you for watching this video.